Hi, this is Adriana, and this is about earthing or grounding. So, many people nowadays do it, but if you're not familiar with earthing, um, it refers to the physical connection that takes place between the electrical frequencies of the human body and those of the earth. Just like the sun constantly provides us with important energy, nutrients, and vitamins, the earth is also a source of subtle energy that provides important elements that contribute to our health. The easiest way is walking barefoot on the grass or along the beach, for example. Nowadays, there are also specially designed devices such as bed sheets and floor or desk mats. Currently, there exists an impressive amount of evidence demonstrating the positive effects earthing has on physical well-being. The Earth's surface is abundant with negative charge electrical frequencies known as free electrons. By physically connecting to the Earth by direct skin to surface contact or using an earthing device, it facilitates the intake of these free electrons into our bodies, allowing us to consistently stay connected to Earth's frequency regardless of environmental circumstances. Earthing is found to be most effective when used as a long-term activity in your daily routine. And the benefits of earthing that research indicates as being consistent, it improves sleep, decrease of chronic pain, increase of energy levels, normalization of the body's biological rhythms, improves blood pressure, relieves headaches and muscle tension, reduces jet lag, lessens menstrual and hormonal symptoms. Accelerated recovery from surgery on traumatic experiences, that's what they have found, due to the cessation of free radicals by the intake of negative charge electrons. Promotes weight loss because of its effect on regulating hormone levels like cortisol, which is known for promoting weight gain. And because it also minimizes stress and promotes feelings of calmness and relaxation. The greatest possible effect earthing can have on human health is its ability to calm inflammation. Science has shown that it delivers positive effects on a number of inflammatory induced conditions, including allergies, Alzheimer's disease, anemia, asthma, arthritis, autism, cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes types 1 and 2, kidney failure, Lou Gehrig's disease, multiple sclerosis, psoriasis, and eczema, reduces stress, improves bone density, and there's so many many benefits to it. Earthing helps prevent free radicals from attacking and damaging healthy tissues, which often leads to increased pain and inflammation because it injects the body with an abundance of negative charge electrons for the free radicals to bind to. When the body is grounded, the electrons move from earth into the body and vice versa. And this effect is sufficient to maintain the body at the same negative charge electrical potential as earth. The human body is designed and wired for the intake of earth's energetic field. For instance, the sole of the foot, for example, has the highest concentration of nerve endings than any other area on the human body, which are conductive. And it has the most sweat glands too. Therefore, it allows the flow of electrons from the ground into the body. To enhance the earthing experience, you can encourage conductivity by dampening the area where you're going to ground with water. Concrete is highly conductive thanks to its water and mineral composition, but the concrete that is sealed or painted blocks the conductivity, the same with asphalt, carpet, vinyl, and wood surfaces. Swimming in the ocean is another excellent way to earth because of the rich mineral count in salt water. Fresh water also possesses grounding properties, but salt water is more conductive than fresh water. Now that you have this information, I invite you to practice earthing or grounding. And this is as part of the series of videos for the 100-day video challenge for SalesVision. So if you have a product to sell, a business to promote for free, you will find the link below. If you need leads or you want to start a business, choose the experts that will teach you, that will train you, that will support you within SalesVision. And you will find the links in the description below and just click on them. Thank you for watching.